Welcome to English Echo.
Hi, Mia. You look busy today.
Hi, Alex. Yes, a little. I am cleaning my house.
Oh, cleaning day. I know that feeling.
Yes, it never ends. But I like a clean space.
Same here. A clean house feels calm.
True. So what are you doing now?
I just finished my room. I cleaned the floor.
Nice. Did you mop it?
Yes, I mopped it slowly.
Good. Slow cleaning is better.
I agree. Did you start cleaning early?
Yes, I started in the morning.
What did you clean first?
I cleaned the kitchen first. It was messy.
Kitchens get messy fast.
Very fast. I washed the dishes.
All of them?
Yes, I had used many plates.
Ah, had used. That sounds interesting.
Yes, it is past perfect.
Can you explain it simply?
Sure. Past perfect shows one action before another past action.
So you washed dishes. Before that, you had used the plates.
Exactly. First, I had used the plates. Then I washed them.
That is clear. Nice example.
Thanks. It is easy when you think in order.
Yes, order is important.
Like cleaning. First dust, then wipe.
Good point. I had dusted the shelf before I wiped it.
Perfect sentence. You used past perfect well.
Thanks. I am learning.
We all are. What did you clean next?
I cleaned the window. It was dirty.
Did you clean it inside or outside?
Inside first, outside later.
Good plan. I had opened the windows before I cleaned the room.
Why did you open them?
For fresh air, the room felt better.
Fresh air helps a lot.
Yes, cleaning feels lighter.
I had played music before I started cleaning.
Nice habit. Music gives energy.
Yes, soft music works for me.
Same. Loud music distracts me.
True. What about the living room?
I cleaned it already. I had moved the sofa before I swept the floor.
That makes sense. Heavy things come first.
Yes, safety first.
I like that phrase. Simple and useful.
English has many simple phrases.
Yes, we use them every day.
Did you vacuum?
Not yet. I had checked the vacuum before I used it.
Was it working?
Yes, but it was noisy.
Mine is noisy too.
Cleaning is not quiet work.
True, but the result is good.
Very good. A clean house feels fresh.
And relaxing.
I had finished cleaning before noon.
That is fast.
I planned well.
Planning helps. I had made a list before I started.
A list is smart.
Yes, it saves time.
What is the hardest part for you?
The bathroom. It needs more effort.
I agree. I had scrubbed the sink before I cleaned the mirror.
Good order again.
Order helps grammar too.
That is true. Past perfect is about order.
First action, then second action.
Yes, we use had plus past participle.
Like had cleaned.
Exactly. Simple and clear.
I like learning this way.
Through daily talk.
Yes, no pressure.
Just small talk.
And useful English.
Cleaning is done. English is learned.
Perfect ending.
Time to rest now.
You earned it.